NFPA 58 says that you can transport no more than 4 cylinders in an enclosed vehicle with no one cylinder having more than 45 pounds total propane capacity weight, and the combined capacity weight can be no more than 90 pounds. Additionally, all cylinders must be transported in the vertical upright position. This 100-pound cylinder already has a weight greater than the 90-pound total propane capacity weight allowed, so it's out.
So could we transport the 20, the 30, and the 40-pound cylinder all at one time?
Well, 20 plus 30 is 50, plus 40 is 90. So yes, these 3 cylinders you could transport in a car or SUV so long as they're able to be secured in the vertical upright position.
So what if I have 4 of these 20-pound barbecue cylinders as well as a 10-pound smaller cylinder? That's a total of 90 pounds of propane capacity weight. Can I do that?
Well, you would be within the 90-pound limit, but you're adding a 5th cylinder. The maximum quantity of cylinders you can transport in an enclosed vehicle is 4 cylinders.
I think I got it now. So it's a max of 4 propane cylinders at one time, no more than 90 pounds total of propane weight, and 1 cylinder can't have more than 45 pounds.
You got it.
So we discussed having a propane cylinder in the secure upright vertical position. Can you show me how to properly do that in a customer's vehicle?
The best way to secure a propane cylinder in a vehicle is with a tank foot or an E-Z-Go. You simply take the cylinder and put it in the tank foot and then put it in your car. The tank foot fits tightly around the base of the cylinder. Then there's the E-Z-Go. The E-Z-Go locks into the foot ring at the base of the cylinder and is really easy to use.
That does look easy.
Now, you'll also have some customers that will bring their propane tanks in a milk crate because it will keep the tank in the vertical upright position.
Sperry, what about the ratchet straps? Are those a good choice to properly secure the propane cylinder in a sedan or SUV?
Ratchet straps are a great choice, but the customer will have to find a good anchor point in their sedan or SUV. If they're transporting lighter cylinders, then I would suggest the tank foot or the E-Z-Go.
Do the rules change for pickup trucks? For example, how do you transport a 100-pound cylinder?
Yes, the rule does change when transporting cylinders in the back of an open pickup truck or in an open trailer. When transporting propane in the back of an open pickup truck or an open trailer, a customer can transport up to 1,000 pounds of propane capacity. They still must be transported in the vertical upright position. "100-pound cylinders are extremely heavy and should always be lifted with help. A full 100-pound cylinder can weigh up to 180 pounds and should not be lifted by yourself. You should always get help when loading, using proper lifting techniques, lifting with your legs.
I can see why this is a 2-person job.
Yes, but the team members will only assist in helping load the tank into the back of the vehicle. Again, the customer is responsible for securing the tank in the vertical upright position.
You can only have 4 propane cylinders in a car or SUV with a total of 90 pounds of propane capacity. 1 cylinder can only have 45 pounds total. All propane cylinders, including the forklift cylinders, need to be in an upright vertical position. 100-pound cylinders need to be in an open trailer or a pickup truck, and U-Haul has options for all propane cylinders to make sure our customers leave with a securely fastened propane cylinder.